Was this the last? No, this is the last question. Christian Wolf. I'm working with a lot of AI models along Power Automate. Is there a way we can capture the amount of credits used for each model inside Power Automate? I'm thinking of building a log file and monitor how many credits I used for each document type. Insert coin, please. So.
If you find out, let me know, because I'm trying to find out. So yeah, maybe there's something Microsoft is working on with AI models, maybe. But I think they're spending most of their money and energy into Copilot. But AI models, it's a little bit dragging along since it's within the Power Platform or Power Automate world.
I think for Copilot Studios now an overview in the admin center. But for AI Builder, I don't know. Sean, do you know it?
For this one on, in terms of like how to track my AI model spending?
I think so, yeah.
No, I haven't found a tool that's out of the box that's nice like that. I will say he was asking about Power Automate. If he's using AI Builder, it's way more expensive than if he just makes a call directly to Azure AI Foundry. Like you're looking at like, what is the, with 200, 500 at least to get started. I know you get a certain amount of AI Builder credits for free, but still like you're going to pay a high price tag just to have anything more than that versus Azure AI Foundry is pennies. Like I make tons of calls to that every day and it does the same thing AI Builder does for next to nothing. Credit to Damian Bird. He was the first person I saw kind of talk about that approach rather than using AI Builder.
But it could be a strategy for customer who bought Power Automate premium licenses to take a look how where could use where I would say per user 500 credits per month. I think we have. I think every one of us has customer with premium actions and with premium Power Automate licenses and and then it's for these 500 credits are included per user per month, and this could be interesting. I think this part, but it's really hard to get the actual status of a used credits. You must calculate it. I know no site or something like else or what you can do with a shell script or something else.
Yeah, I know in the Power Platform Admin Center, it kind of tells you which environment and which user have used this X credits, but it doesn't tell you one model, one flow have consumed X credits.
Do you know, is this in this new automation center is where in better
Automation Center, it's really only for the Power Automate flows, but the AI Builder, it's a kind of separate toolbox, I would say.